When it comes to enhancing the look and feel of your home in Metairie, curb appeal plays a bigger role than many homeowners realize. Whether you're planning to sell or simply want to take pride in your property, the exterior appearance sets the tone for everything inside. One of the most effective, and often overlooked, ways to elevate your home's exterior is by upgrading to new slider windows. Slider windows, also known as sliding or gliding windows, are designed to open horizontally along a track. Their clean lines, modern functionality, and expansive glass panels make them an excellent choice for homeowners who want both style and practicality. In a place like Metairie, where natural light and outdoor views are part of everyday living, slider windows can make a noticeable difference. One of the biggest advantages of installing new slider windows is the immediate visual upgrade. Older windows can look worn, outdated, or mismatched with the rest of your home's design. New slider windows offer a sleek, contemporary appearance that instantly refreshes your exterior. Their wide glass panes create a more open and inviting look, making your home feel brighter and more welcoming from the street. In addition to aesthetics, slider windows help create a stronger connection between your indoor and outdoor spaces. Metairie homeowners often enjoy lush greenery, patios, and landscaped yards. Slider windows provide unobstructed views, allowing you to showcase these features while bringing in more natural light. This not only enhances curb appeal but also improves your overall living experience inside the home. Functionality is another key benefit. Slider windows are incredibly easy to operate, making them ideal for high-traffic areas or rooms where convenience matters most. Because they glide horizontally, they don't require extra space to open, unlike traditional windows that swing outward or upward. This makes them perfect for areas facing walkways, porches, or tight outdoor spaces. Energy efficiency is also a major consideration for homeowners in Metairie. With the region's warm and humid climate, keeping your home cool without overworking your HVAC system is essential. Modern slider windows are designed with improved insulation, tight seals, and energy-efficient glass options. These features help reduce heat transfer, keeping your home more comfortable while potentially lowering energy bills. Another factor that contributes to curb appeal is consistency in design. Replacing old, mismatched windows with uniform slider windows creates a cohesive look across your home's exterior. Whether your home leans toward a modern, traditional, or transitional style, slider windows can be customized with different frame colors, finishes, and grid patterns to complement your architecture. Maintenance is often a concern for homeowners, but slider windows are relatively low maintenance compared to other styles. Their simple design means fewer moving parts, and many models come with easy-to-clean features, such as removable sashes. This makes it easier to keep your windows looking clear and polished, an important detail when aiming for top-notch curb appeal. Security is another benefit worth mentioning. Today's slider windows come equipped with advanced locking mechanisms and durable materials, giving homeowners peace of mind without sacrificing style. A home that looks secure and well-maintained naturally feels more attractive and inviting. Finally, investing in new slider windows can increase your home's value. Potential buyers notice updated windows right away, and the combination of improved aesthetics, energy efficiency, and functionality can make your property stand out in the Metairie market. Even if you're not planning to sell anytime soon, it's a long-term upgrade that pays off in both comfort and appearance. In the end, boosting curb appeal doesn't always require a complete exterior overhaul. Sometimes, a strategic upgrade like installing new slider windows can transform your home's look while adding practical benefits you'll enjoy every day. For Metairie homeowners looking to make a lasting impression, it's a smart and stylish place to start.